composite number because it does not have any exactly two different factors, first of all, and the second, because it does not have any then more more than two factors also. So it is a unique number. Multiples. If you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, you calculate the multiplies. It means if the question is multiplies, so what is multiplies? You just start the multiplication of the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The multiplies of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. It means you can understand the table of 12. Different numbers can share some of the same multiplies. These are called their common multiples. For example, we have some multiples of 12. I have here 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. And again we have multiplies of 18, that is 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and 108. Here we have the common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. We can get more common multiples further if we will write the multiples more. So these are actually common multiples. If I'll talk about HCF, so HCF actually stands for highest common factor. It can come in 1 mark question. What is HCF? So HCF is highest common factor. For example, look at the common factors of 12 and 18 listed on slide number 6. The largest is 6, or 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. We have already discussed in our previous slide the common factor of 12 and 18. Now we are talking here HCF. You can easily understand if we have 90 and 120, and I am writing the factors of prime factors of 90, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and 120 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So we will see the common factors 90 and 120 have, that is 2, 3 and 5 only. So 2, 3, 5. I am taking 2, 3, 5 because these are common. 2, 3s are 6 and 6, 5 are 30. So HCF is 30. If you can't match anything, the HCF is 1. It means if you are not having any common factors in any two numbers, so you can take the HCF of that particular given number is 1. LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Look at the common multiples of 12 and 18 we have discussed in our last slide. So in that, now again I am taking 90 and 120, and here we can see like the same factors we have. Now I am taking 2 to the pairs, 2 of the pairs, and then 3 and then 5. Here we have 2, 3 2s, the highest number is 2 3s, then 3 is 2, again we are taking 2 3s, and 5 we have 1, so we will take 5, and then simply we will multiply. That would be the LCM of the given number. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Again, LCM stands for lowest common multiples. I hope you all will be understood about multiples and factors. So we will learn more about